Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your network settings on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button here. And then you want to go down and select the system tile and then scroll all the way down and select reset options. Select where it says Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will reset all mobile network settings. Select Reset Settings. Please know you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once you're done here, you will need to enter those in if you want to connect back to your Wi-Fi. So select Reset Settings once again, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.